Okay, so my name is Linda, host. Welcome.
Hi.
So I see you are booked in for nice layers and a nice hair color to brighten up your hair and do a nice healthy haircut on your hair. So how long ago did you have a haircut and a color done?
Easily about 4 months to 6 months ago.
4 months or 6 months ago. Okay, great. So we can do a nice healthy haircut. Obviously, not too much of your length away because normally, like, obviously, you don't want to take too much of your length, but we are going to make a nice bit of a difference. Take away these lines that's in your hair and nice and soften the layer. So we're going to take off quite a bit of your layer on top, but nicely blend it in around about that. And then we're going to just nicely cascade your layers right into your length as such.
Awesome.
Okay, great. And then when it comes to your color, then we're gonna just do a nice color, which is just be a nice natural brown, which is gonna just do a nice cover up of all the old highlights that you've got going, and just do a nice healthy shiny color. We use L'Oreal, so which is gonna be a nice permanent shade and give you a nice healthy color from the root to the tip, and it'll last nice and long onto your hair. Also, your aftercare is very, very important. So I will show you what products is necessary to use for your aftercare, and you can decide whether you want to use it afterwards or not use it afterwards, which would be beneficial for your hair because it'll last longer your color within time. So are you good with that?
I'm cool with
All
it.
good. Okay.